Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be cleaning my room. It is pretty messy. I haven't cleaned it in a while. I'm trying to get this done very quickly. Right now it's 4:22 and I want to finish this by 7 o'clock. So I really only have about 3 hours and about 40 minutes. So let's get started. So first things first, I decided to pick up all of my clothes off the floor and put them in my laundry basket. Usually I try to separate like what's clean and what's dirty, but this time I just put everything in the laundry basket. And honestly, everything that I picked up was pretty much dirty anyway.
So done with second guessing, you seem to have it all. And loving not for anything emotional too soon. You got my invitation, now the rest is up to you. Rendezvous, make some time for me and you. Get you over, treat you right. We vibing like kick it, rendezvous, make some time for me and you. Get together, you and I. We vibing like I'm just guessing. It's something in the way you talk. I'll show my hand, let's play it out. Putting my heart up on the table. I really trust my senses. Catch me if I fall. So done with.
I actually want to start transitioning some of my like winter-ish clothes out of my closet and putting more of my summer clothes in there. But New York weather is so weird. One day it's hot, one day it's cold.
Kick it, rendezvous. Make some time for me and you. Get you over, treat you right. We vibing like kick it, rendezvous. Make some time for me and you. Get together, you and I. We vibing like for me and you. Get you over, treat you right. We vibing like kick it, rendezvous. Make some time for me and you. Get together, you and I. We vibing like
And by the way, if you guys see me like handling water bottles or anything like that and I put them in a bag, I'm not just throwing them in the trash. I'm just keeping them there to then put it in our little recycling area. So don't worry, I am recycling.
You never feel the way I feel. You don't know if my love is real. Baby, listen to me, here's the deal. When you're not here, I'm not the same. I'm needing a new chapter, babe. Been stuck here in a bed for days. I've been staring at the
Because I'm cleaning my room so late, I wanted to get started with just cleaning my sheets. But unfortunately, someone was already doing laundry, so I had to wait. But in the meantime, I decided, you know what, let me just like fold the clothes on my bed. So that's what I did.
Wrecking ball, tear apart, issues left behind, restart. Nothing you say makes it better. Hey, bring it right
clothes that I have on my bed, I actually washed already. I just never put them away. Most of them are going to charity. They're just clothes that I don't really wear anymore or want. And like a small portion is just being put away. I am going to be trying out the KonMari method. You guys have been commenting this method so much under my videos, so I decided to check it out. I'm going to learn the technique and film an entire video.
There's no need to bring it up. Nothing you say makes it better. Wreck and roll, tear apart, issues left behind, restart. Nothing you say makes it better. Bring it right back to me, babe.
It was at this very moment that I knew like I was not finishing by 7. So I started picking up the pace because I was moving way too slow.
Your number, baby. I'll give you mine if you give me yours. Can I call tomorrow, maybe? Ooh, I'm feeling down, so can you be my cure? Say, can I get yours? Can I get yours? Say, can I get yours? Can I get yours?
This is my least favorite part of my room. I don't know why cleaning this side always takes so long, but it does. It's just so annoying. A lot of the stuff on my makeup table actually just belong in my bathroom, but I always end up moving things from my bathroom to my room for some reason. Like, I don't know why I just don't keep my skincare in my bathroom.
And taking time away. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning. I'm writing rhymes in the kitchen, soaking in moments we live in. Yeah, you got the nerve to be on me.
By the way, if you guys want to see an in-depth video of me cleaning my vanity and like organizing my makeup, that was my last video, so I'll put a card and I'll link that video in the description box.
I'm a hiatus. I'm a hiatus. Baby, don't check for me. Taking time out to be and live my life off screen. Taking time out to be and live my life. Hey. Taking just don't do. dancing or we just building. It's my season, lay foundation, make a name for generations. Please and make a, then take a break or a little vacation and chasing blues away. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning or look like you always be working, soaking the moments you live in. Yeah, you got the nerve to be on me, faking your life for the IG. If you got my number, don't add me, cause baby, I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus.
I should have cleaned that mirror 2 more times because you're gonna see at the end of the video, the mirror still looks very streaky and just like dirty. I mean, I know it's not anymore, but something was just really off today.
Scream, taking time out to be and live my life. I'm in a place serene and pure and free. Hey, I ain't worried about what's the wave, only worry about me. Yeah. Oh, I'm taking time out to be and live my life off screen. Taking time out to be and live my life.
I really want to organize my jewelry better, so if you guys have any tips on things that I could do, definitely let me know, because I've just been keeping them, like I have like a little dish for like my rings, but then I've been keeping my necklaces in that like little brown box, not brown, the blue box you guys are seeing, and it's not convenient because it gets tangled. So if you guys have any suggestions for me, definitely let me know.
I'm too busy loving my friends, I ain't got no love to spare for you. I'ma be that girl to the end. It don't really matter what you do, guess I have to tell you again, cause you haven't got the news. Boy, you really need to understand that I don't wanna be your girlfriend, girlfriend. No, I don't wanna be your girlfriend, girlfriend. All I want is time with my girlfriend's girlfriend. So I don't wanna be your girlfriend, girlfriend. I know you want me, boy, I can tell. So deep under my spell. Sorry, not sorry that I'm no help, cause I'm full of myself. Boy, don't you worry, you'll find someone who wants you back, but that is not me. So give it up, haven't you had enough? I'm too busy loving my friends, I ain't got no love to spare for you. I'ma be that girl to the end. It don't really matter what you do, guess I have to tell you again, cause you haven't got the news. Boy, you really need to understand that I don't wanna be your girlfriend, girlfriend. No, I don't wanna be your girlfriend, girlfriend. All I want is time with my girlfriend's girlfriend. So I don't wanna be your girlfriend, girlfriend. No, 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 no. Girlfriend, girlfriend. No, 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 no. Girlfriend, girlfriend. No, 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 no. Girlfriend's girlfriend. So I don't wanna be your girlfriend.
I see that a lot of you guys are always asking questions about like different furniture pieces in my room. So would it be helpful if I just made a whole room tour video and told you guys where everything is, or do you want me to just link it under every cleaning room video? Let me know what you guys want to see.
Body can dress to impress, no stress, though they're waiting. I keep them waiting. Makeup on fleek, high heels, ripped jeans. eyes, you can't hide it. Ooh, baby, I know I turn you on. You can bring your friends, we won't mind it. We just came to dance and go all night long. The look in your eyes, you can't hide it.
All right, I hope you guys enjoyed this cleaning room video, and if you did, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe, and also follow me on Instagram to keep up with me when I'm not on YouTube. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.